Today, we're about to dive into something seriously mind-blowing. 10 lesser-known websites where you can earn cash every day, all from the comfort of your own screen. Now, before we jump into these money-making gems, did you know that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches in the world? Wild, right? But hold on to your hats because what I'm about to share today might just change the game for your wallet. So, here's the scoop. We're going to uncover some seriously cool online platforms that could be your golden ticket to raking in up to $300 in a single day. And hey, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks coming your way. Now, with so many ways to make money online, it's very easy for some top websites to get lost in the abyss of all the myriad of ways that you can make money online. So, what I'm going to do today is shed light on some of the lesser-known websites and apps that you can use to make money daily online. And here's the great thing about it being lesser known or unpopular or not talked about a lot. Many people haven't signed up yet. So, if you're one of those people who watch my videos the minute they drop because you have your post notification turned on, you're going to be able to capitalize on many of these opportunities because they're not that popular. That said, class is now in session. Now, this one is for gaming enthusiasts. Playtest Cloud offers a unique opportunity to make money because you're basically doing something that you enjoy. The service specializes in playtesting games for mobile gamers, which will help app developers optimize the product they're developing. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a professional tester to participate. According to paytestcloud.com, they test about 100,000 games per year, and participants are typically paid about $9 for every 15 minutes of testing they do. Now, that's pretty lucrative because you can get $36 in an hour. So it means that you can get $9 times 4, which is $36 per hour. And if you do it for 8 hours in a day, that's $288 in a day. If you're not a subscriber, you have nothing to worry about because I'll be showing the actual web pages so you can quickly do a Google search based on what's on screen, or I'll actually save the URL or the domain for the website so that you can look it up. Either way, you're getting the information. Let's move to the second under-the-radar website on our list that nobody is talking about, and it is Nexus Notes. Now, Nexus Notes is perfect for diligent students or those who love taking notes. And I was that student in school because my notebook was very organized to the point where one of my side hustles was to sell my notes. So if you are like me, this side hustle may just be for you. And again, most people aren't doing it because they aren't aware of it. So your probability to get in is significantly greater. This site enables you to earn money from your study notes, your course summaries, and other academic content. You'll be able to earn $17.50 every time a student accesses your notes, your coursework, or any academic content that you are sharing. Isn't that incredible? $17.50. Now, I can only imagine that this website has thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of students who are accessing these notes. So, that $17.50 will grow exponentially and will definitely enable you to earn $300 per day. Now, this is a website that a lot of people aren't talking about or using, even though I have spoken about it so many times on this channel. But I still go there and see them constantly looking for people to participate. I know that there are still opportunities, so I'm adding it to the list, and it is trymata.com. And listen, its income earning potential is still relatively unknown. Trymata pays you for usability testing of websites and apps, and you'll be able to earn about $10 for every single test. And here's the great thing. The tests typically take 10 to 20 minutes for you to complete. So again, in an hour, let's assume you have the median time of 15 minutes for a test. That means you can get 4 tests done in an hour. That's $40 per hour. That's $480 per day that you can potentially earn from this particular website that's still relatively unknown. Now, the fourth one on our list is UserBrain. And UserBrain also offers paid testing opportunities for websites, apps, and products. You will be able to earn $5 for every 5 to 20-minute test video that gets approved. The process is very straightforward, and you don't need any special skills or experience, as you can see here from their website, which, by the way, is userbrain.net. This particular website, which is User Interviews, is another under-the-radar website that I've spoken about, but is still very unknown. And as such, a lot of people aren't capitalizing on it. On User Interviews, you can earn money by sharing your opinions with companies like Spotify, Adobe, and Pinterest. So it's very reputable, with more than 2,000 studies added each month. So there's more than enough for everyone. But with that many studies added, there are plenty of opportunities for you to earn a generous payment of up to $300 or more for each study that you'll be able to complete. Pretty generous if you ask me, because those studies cost $300. It's not going to take you all day. And their website is userinterviews.com. Now, I'm sure you haven't heard about this next website on the list either, and it's US Review of Books. For bookworms, this is your opportunity to rejoice. The US Review of Books actually pays you to read books and to write reviews. Can you imagine getting paid anywhere from $25 to $75 per review? Especially if reading is a hobby of yours, it's going to feel like you're doing absolutely no work and earning this money. And you'll be able to complete several reviews in a day, working towards your $300 per day. It's one of the best ways out there to monetize your hobby of reading. Listen, I had not heard of this one until I started to do the research for this video. And when I explored the website, which is the usreview.com, I got hooked. And because of that, I'm positive you may not have heard of it either. If you haven't, write in the comments for me. $75 per review and manifest what you will be able to make by monetizing your hobby of reading. Now, this next one on the list is very unpopular as well, and it's Find Focus Group. Find Focus Group connects you with paid focus groups that are available in your specific area. Payments will vary, and it differs significantly depending on the type of focus group that you are participating in. But there's a lot of potential for high earners with Find Focus Group. Applying is very simple. All you have to do is to submit a form for a specific focus group and wait to be accepted. And their website is findfocusgroups.com. Now for this one, you may have heard of it or at least heard of their competitor, and it is Rapify. With Rapify, you can earn money just by driving in your car. Believe me, what a way to monetize a liability, because your car is really a liability considering that it's just costing you money, although they say on paper it's an asset. This app will pay you to have your car professionally wrapped with advertising for a company or a brand. And as you drive it around, you'll be able to earn. You could potentially make $200 to $400 per month just by driving around a car that you have to drive anyway, that has a particular brand wrapped around it in a professional manner. Their website is rapify.com. No Best Mark is the next under-the-radar website that you can use to earn up to $300 per day. Why? Because you'll earn $35 per hour depending on the assignment that you are given. Now, Best Mark is actually a secret shopping platform where you can earn money and enjoy free services as a secret shopper. For Best Mark, you'll perform tasks and provide details about your personal experience while shopping. So, it's basically doing something you love, shopping and providing a review of your shopping experience. Pretty easy if you ask me to make these $35 per whore. And their website is bestmark.com. Now, ProductTube is next on our list, and you can earn between $50 and $80 per hour by posting video reviews as per their instructions. That's another easy but amazing way to make money on this particular under-the-radar website. ProductTube is a premium video survey app that actually pays you for making short videos about everyday products. There are several ways that you can earn money with this app, but regardless of which approach or which way you choose, you'll be able to earn between $50 and $80 US dollars per hour for the review video that you are posting. Their website is producttube.com. Now, I'm hoping that because these websites are under the radar, even though thousands of people watching this video will head over there as well, but because they're so under the radar, you'll be able to find opportunities that work for you. Now, some of these opportunities will work for you regardless of where you live across the globe, and some won't. I have given you the content, so the least you can do is evaluate what will make sense and what will work for you. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you found these hidden gems as exciting as I did. Now, if you're itching for more ways to make money online, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss the next batch of under-the-radar opportunities coming your way. And hey, if you've got any cool side hustles to share, drop them in the comments below. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.